Hi, this is Dr. Sean Casey with Healthcare Complete Back and Neck Pain Center. Today we're answering your questions once again. One that comes up periodically, stretches. Are they good? Are they worth my time and effort? And of course, being the doctor and a chiropractor, I'm going to say yes, very much so. So what is the value of a stretch? Well, whenever you stretch, what you're trying to do is increase the range of motion and the flexibility of tissue, whether it's before an exercise, before an activity, or after, or in the case we see a lot of patients in a rehabilitative phase, to increase the normal function of a joint. So when we're stretching, the idea is to increase that flexibility. To do so, it's always a slow and controlled motion. A lot of times you'll see, a lot of kids before practice are trying to work through their stretches really quick to get done and get to practice. That's not the intention. The goal is to increase that flexibility. So if we go real hard, real fast, when we're pulling or straining. So any stretch you do should be a slow, controlled motion, going to the point of feeling a good pull but no pain, relaxing that position, and always stretching to the equal and opposite side. So if I was advising the patient on neck stretches and say we were doing some lateral flexion, we kind of go to the side where we felt a good pull, hold for a few seconds, not to the point of pain, relax, come back up, and go the equal and opposite way as well. Obviously, if we're looking for flexibility, if I'm tied on one side and not as flexible, we're going to walk around like this. So we're looking for that balance. The big issue underneath, though, we're breaking down scar tissue, we're breaking down adhesions, we're improving blood flow and overall function, and also healing and prevention of injuries. So there's a whole lot to it. Now that said, you want to make sure you're doing the proper stretch the proper way. That way we're getting proper healing and not causing more damage or injury, which, believe it or not, I do see patients that have gone through stretches incorrectly, done some stretching classes that they shouldn't have done, or kind of the next level, and caused injuries that we have to treat them for. So hopefully this was helpful. Definitely get out there and do some stretching. Just be wise about it. If you have any questions on stretching, please buzz us here at the office. We'd be happy to help and answer your questions. Have a great day.